Hello, bonjour. In this video you will see one incredible tip that will help you to improve greatly your productivity. So maybe like me, you are an active learner on YouTube, learning a lot of things. For example, uh, I'm a 3D artist, and as a 3D artist, first I need to look at tutorials on YouTube. So I click, for example, there is this video which lasts 6 minutes. Sometimes a video can last 1 hour, and when you can't, it's not easy, it's not really productive to switch between two windows like this. It's not easy, it's not cool. So what you will learn now, it's how to have this and in the same time using your software. So just put the mouse on the vid, and then you will see this appear. If I go there, it disappear. If I go here, it appear. So just push the left click, just click on that left click, and then you will see this vignette. And if I go anywhere, this vignette will stay. I can even leave YouTube and it will stay. So you can go there and I can go there and then make what I want to do, and in the same time looking at my vid. I can for example, it is a playlist. I can push here and go in another video. It's really easy, and at the same time using my software, so I can learn, listen to tutorials, and at the same time make what I have apply directly what I learn. So I hope that helps you to increase your productivity, and I'm sure it will. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more. See you.